Hey everybody, welcome back to 74 Customs. Today I have an interesting video for you. I've called this Let the 510 Nightmare Begin, and a nightmare it has been. I've comprised all my videos from, basically since I posted last, I've been chipping away at this car, trying to get it running, and doing some extra things as well. If any parts of this video don't make sense, they probably didn't make sense to me either. During the beginning stages, I just had a dream in mind and wanted to start working on the car, so some of that stuff has nothing to do with getting the car running, but I hope you guys enjoy. I would stick through all the way. It's quite a video. Oh, I should probably turn this off. Hey everybody, welcome back to 74 Customs. Today I'm using the camera instead of the iPhone. I feel like this is gonna center me a little bit better in the clips. Today we're gonna be fixing and cleaning these Datsun seats. I got some parts on order right now, which you'll see coming up shortly. I don't know what we're doing today. I think we're gonna try to get it started, but I'm really not sure. We got a new starter, did a bunch of stuff last time I was out here. Hopefully we can get it running. We're gonna see. This thing's been in the ground for almost 40 years. Let's play Simon Says. Simon Says, where's my carburetor? I forgot my carburetor. Yep. Alrighty, well, it's looking like attempt number 3. I think I have all the stuff this time. We're gonna see if we can get it started for real. Yeah. I guess we'll try it for attempt number 3.
Alright, give it a shot.
Oh well. Alrighty, so you've seen my adventure over the last couple months, so my videos are going to be super spaced out, and you'll probably see me age before I finish this car. Anyways, we replaced a lot of stuff, and rebuilt a lot of stuff, and cleaned a lot of things. The engine's still not working, so the timing was fine, the ignition was fine, the fueling we were doing ourselves, so it should be fine. It was getting air. So the last thing for us to check was compression. On cylinder number 1 we had 70 psi. On cylinder number 2 we had 55 psi. On number 3 we had 60, and on number 4 we had 70 again. None of us knew what the compression was supposed to be, so we thought that 70 was like low but okay, until I looked at what the average or what a good reading is, and the good reading was around 150 to 160 psi. So our best 2 readings weren't even half of what a normal reading was. So let's pull the engine out.
Off helmet is back.
Well, thank you guys for watching. This has been a experience for me as well over the last year. Just wanted to throw something together so I can move on to the next stage, which is rebuilding this engine. I'm doing these videos mainly for myself, but I'm hoping that a couple suckers who like Datsuns also enjoy this video as well. I'm gonna keep chipping away on this car and hope that I can bring this dream to reality. I'm also hoping that my videos in the future have a little bit more structure to them as well. I'm hoping that I can actually make a good video for this engine. I'm sure this one left people scratching their heads. It was a mess to make, I can't lie. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you guys like it, make sure you subscribe and stay tuned with all the nonsense I'm going to get up to in the future. Thank you guys.